In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Jira issues by labels. If your sprint board feels crowded and you need to focus on a specific type of work, filtering by labels is one of the fastest ways to clean things up. Whether you want to isolate a feature category on a live board or run a broader search across issues, Jira makes it pretty straightforward once you know where to look. First, open your preferred web browser and go to your company's Jira site, or sign in through the standard Atlassian login page using your own account. After the main dashboard loads, open the Projects menu and choose the project you want to work in. This makes sure you're starting from the correct workspace before applying any filters. Once you're inside the project, go to the active board view. You should see the familiar board layout with columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Above those columns, look for the toolbar area where Jira keeps its board filtering options. This is where the quick filtering tools usually appear. Now let's use the fastest method directly from the board. Click the Labels dropdown if it's visible. If you don't see it right away, click More Filters to reveal additional options. When the menu opens, you can either scroll through the available labels or type part of the label name to find it faster. Then select the label you want. As soon as you do that, the board updates automatically and hides unrelated issues, letting you focus only on the cards that match that label. If you need more control, especially across multiple sets of issues, use the advanced search option instead. Go to the Filters menu in the top navigation and choose Advanced Issue Search. When the search page opens, click Switch to JQL if Jira isn't already in that mode. JQL is Jira's query language, and it gives you much more precise filtering. In the query field, type a label filter using this format. Labels equals your label name. If you need something more advanced, you can combine labels with other conditions. For example, you might search for multiple labels, exclude completed issues, and sort by priority. After entering your query, run the search and Jira will display the matching issues in a filtered list. Before you finish, take a moment to review the results. Make sure the issue keys, summaries, and priority fields are displaying clearly, so you know the filter is returning exactly what you expect. If this is a view you'll want to use again, click Save Filter, give it a clear, descriptive name, and save it for later access. That's it. You now know how to filter Jira issues by labels using both the board view and advanced search, so you can keep your workflow focused and much easier to manage.